While literacy rates in the United States continue to remain stagnant or even decline, many educators are being compelled to teach reading and ELA in programmatic ways in order to meet standards and improve test scores, with little to no positive effect on literacy rates. At the same time, experimental student-centered instruction techniques, such as project-based learning, have exhibited higher rates of success in accelerating student learning. This presentation, then, is going to review the existing research into how project-based methods of literacy instruction might better foster reading engagement, motivation, and achievement among middle school readers in their early teens. This, in turn, will aim to establish a rationale for educators to use these methods in their classrooms instead of more traditional programmatic approaches. Unfortunately, since the use of project-based learning specifically to address literacy is still, relatively speaking, in its infancy, the research is scarce. On top of this, different people have different definitions of what constitutes project-based learning, and practices and methods in implementing this form of instruction vary wildly from district to district and teacher to teacher. This presentation, then, will also establish a consistent definition of what constitutes effective PBL for literacy before analyzing the merits of this particular form of instruction. Ultimately, I'm also going to use the existing research to identify factors that will affect the effectiveness of PBL for use in secondary literacy instruction, and then directions for further research and implementation.